If you don't have a fireplace or dread sweeping up ashes and cleaning the hearth, you can opt for a clean-burning electric fireplace to do the job. While there are propane models on the market that require a gas line hookup, all you need to get an electric fireplace up and running is an outlet. In this video, we will discuss the 5 best electric fireplaces. After watching the video, you can decide which one is best for you. If you want to know more information on these products, don't forget to check the links in the description down below and subscribe to the channel for future updates. So let's get started. Number 1. Duraflam 3D Infrared Electric Fireplace. The Duraflam infrared quartz fireplace stove continues to stand out for its compact, stylish design, quiet operation, and effective heat settings. It features a classic fireplace stove design and comes in a variety of finishes, including bronze, cream, French gray, and classic black. The fireplace stands a little over 2 feet tall and weighs 28.6 pounds, and it's relatively easy to move around. The heat and flame functions are independent of one another, so you can enjoy the ambience from the 5 flame settings when you don't need the heat. Thanks to the infrared heater that transmits warmth directly to people and objects. The safety features the SUL-tested unit offers, including overheating protection on the plug and a programmable automatic shutoff timer. The timer allows the electric fireplace to operate for a 30-minute session or up to 9 hours before turning the unit off. The front grille is under the firebox and exposed and does get hot, so keep that in mind when considering placement. Number 2. Firflame Western Electric Fireplace. The Firflame Western Electric Fireplace insert fits into existing fireplaces but relies on electricity rather than combustibles to create a fireside glow. As a result, there are no ashes or dust to clean up. This version plugs into a standard 120V outlet and offers multiple flame and heat settings to customize the look and function of your fireplace. It's equipped to provide supplemental heat for rooms up to 400 square feet. To give this electric fireplace insert a realistic look, the 3-sided interior has a brick-like finish treatment and a resin log that sits on a grate above the faux ember bed. A top grille grate above the glass front of the unit conceals the manual controls but easily pops open to reveal push buttons for flame and heat settings. The flames have 3 settings that vary in brightness and intensity. Heat is optional and offers 750 or 1500 watts of power. A remote control allows you to make adjustments from across the room.
Number 3. Honeywell HHF 360V 360-degree tent heater. While Honeywell 360-degree surround heater is not designed for the minimalist camper, it is perfect for those who are at least near the plugins of an RV at a campsite. You get 2 different heat settings, as well as a singular fan option that doesn't push any heat at all but provides air circulation, making it great for warmer weather too. The chassis is designed with an easy carry handle and sturdy base. When it comes to industry safety standards, Honeywell took it 10 steps further. With overheat protection, an auto-off timer option, and tip-over protection, this is one of the safest electric heaters out there. And with a 360-degree spin to push out comforting heat, you'll be able to enjoy this heater in a small group as you huddle around the heater. Number 4. Mr. Heater F215100MH4B Tent Heater. The Mr. Heater F215100MH4B is built as an indoor propane heater that functions at a maximum elevation of 7,000 feet. This low-oxygen heater is greatly favored for its auto shut-off protection against overheating, as well as its odor-free 45-degree heating angle. The heater also comes with an accidental tip-over switch function, as well as a power indicator light. An additional benefit is its lightweight yet durable construction that allows you to take it practically anywhere with you. It's a great way to quickly and safely heat even the coldest rooms in winter up to 95 square feet. The runtime is 5.6 hours. Overall, this is a very stable little device with a sturdily built carrying handle. There's no safer heater to take camping at high altitudes with you. Number 5. Honeywell HC100. Honeywell's name is everywhere, especially when it comes to good quality electronics on a budget. This small, low-cost heater is ideal for heating small spaces, tents, camper vans, and RVs included. The portable unit comes complete with overheat protection and 30-degree tip-over protection, so you don't have to be overly gentle with it. While this portable heater for camping works wonders, it's going to shine the brightest in smaller tents with 1 to 2 occupants. And since it's so small, it's super easy to both take it with you when you go out there and store it when you come back home. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.